Hi guys, today we are learning how to remove Apple Music iCloud account link. After unlocking your iPhone, the first step is to open the Setting app. This is where all your iPhone account control are managed. Make sure you are on main settings page before moving forward. It is important to start from the correct place to avoid confusion. Now tap on your name shown at the very top of settings. This will open your Apple ID account page. Here you can manage iCloud, Apple Music, and other services. This step is important because all account links are inside this section. After opening your Apple ID page, scroll all the way down. You will find the Sign Out option at the bottom. Tap on it to disconnect your iCloud session. This helps in resetting the account link temporarily. Now sign back into your Apple ID after signing out. This refreshes your iCloud connection completely. It helps in removing any stuck Apple Music link. Your account will now be relinked in a clean state. Now go back to settings and use the search bar. Type music and open the music settings option. Here you may find Apple Music related toggles. If available, turn off the unwanted music sync options. If you see the Apple Music option, simply turn it off. This will stop the iCloud link from syncing with Apple Music. If this option is not available, use the previous sign out method. That method will still properly reset your account link. And that's how you can remove Apple Music iCloud account link step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.